You ever notice how the most beautiful things in your life are the ones you can't get back? Think about it. The moment you realize something is gone forever, suddenly you see just how much it meant. Loss gives everything meaning. If nothing could ever slip away from us, then nothing would matter. We wouldn't treasure the smiles, the laughs, the late night conversations. The ordinary days turned out to be extraordinary. Loss is the force that wakes us up. It's the quiet whisper reminding us that every second counts because no second repeats. There's something strangely beautiful in heartbreak, the suffocation of knowing a moment has passed and it will never exist again. There's a violent honesty in that pain. The moment your chest sinks and your mind tries to rewind time, even though you know you can't, all you have left is memory. And even when those memories fade and dull around the edges, they never disappear completely. They come back when you least expect it. In a smell, a song, a photograph, a reminder that it was real, a reminder that you lived. People think nostalgia is just missing the good old days. But nostalgia is really just loss disguised as longing. It's proof that something once made you feel so alive that even after it's over, a piece of it keeps beating inside you. If you could go back and live that exact moment again right now, it wouldn't feel the same. Because the thing that makes it special is that you can't. Without loss, nothing would be genuine. Nothing would have weight. The reason nostalgia hits so hard is because we can't ever hold it again. And that's the beautiful part. There's something breathtaking about the things we can't touch anymore. The people gone. The chapters closed. The version of ourselves we left behind. They're not pretty because they're comfortable. They're beautiful because they are the pure, unfiltered truth of life. They remind us that we felt deeply enough to break. To lose is to feel. If all we ever did was gain, if life were just wins and achievements stacked one after another with no risk of losing anything, it would be flat. It would be hollow. It would be meaningless. The pain of losing someone you love is proof that they mattered. The emptiness after a dream dies is proof that you dared to dream in the first place. The ache in your chest after giving everything to something and watching it disappear, that is one of the most human experiences we will ever know. Love the loss. Love the pain. Not because it's fun or desirable, but because it's the only part of life that guarantees authenticity. It means this life touched you. It means something changed you. It means what you had was real. Loss is the author of every unforgettable memory. When your time comes, and the chapter of your life reaches its final page, you won't be counting victories like trophies. You won't be replaying the moments where everything was easy. You'll be looking back at the moment you felt the good, the devastating, the unforgettable. You'll think of the faces that shaped you, the places you called home, the nights you cried, the days you laughed until your ribs hurt, the things you thought you'd never survive, but did. Loss turns ordinary moments into sacred ones. It turns goodbye into a lesson. It turns the end into the reason the beginning mattered. The beauty in loss is life itself. Because without the fear of losing something, how could we ever truly love it? We don't see the magic while it's happening. We're distracted, comfortable, naive enough to believe it will last forever. The scary part, the part that hurts the most, is that the beauty never fully reveals itself until after it's gone. But maybe that's the point. Maybe life saves the clearest view for the very end, when it wants to show us what the pain was always building toward. Gratitude, appreciation, meaning. So the next time you lose something, the next time your heart cracks, or the universe closes a door you weren't ready to walk away from, remember, this isn't punishment. This is proof that you're alive. This is what makes your story worth telling. Loss is the real reason love is real. Loss is the reason memories matter. Loss is the reason anything is beautiful in the first place. Thank you for watching.